This is an email processing system proof video. If you want to get started working at home with email processing system, please watch this proof video before you start. All right, hey, welcome to this email processing system proof video. Once again, email processing system proof video. I'm going to show you here, and then I'm going to show you where I got it. I'll tell you where I got it. I got it at peopleindustry.com, people-industry.com. So here's the proof. 25, 25. I'm not showing you the names of people because that wouldn't be right. But you can see all the $25 payments. All right, it's pretty simple, folks, how to do this email processing system. You just post some ads on social media, Craigslist, super easy. See, more $25 payments to me. All right, you can see down by the corner here that it's only February 5th, 2018. All right, let me show you what I did so far this year. And I'll pull up a sales report here and pull this over. Once again, a little bit more maybe. I've done 909 sales already, and the gross is $20,980.02 that I've made. All right, that's just in 1 month, folks. It's super easy. It does take work, so don't think you're going to get something for nothing. So you do have to put in your time. You got to set up everything and then go from there. But it's pretty easy if you just follow the directions in the members area. All right, I'll show you the website just so you got it. Once again, it's people-industry.com. I'll bring it down into view here. There you go. See it right up here at the top. people-industry.com. It will be in the description as well. This is email processing system proof video. All right. You guys have a good day or night and get started with email processing.